Adjunct's kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making a quick and simple appetizer with an amazingly fresh pop, tomato bruschetta crostini.
The ingredients for this dish are fresh tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, basil, red pepper, a baguette, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. The steps to making this dish are to prep and then combine your ingredients. Preheat your oven to broil. Cut and oil the baguette. Put it in the oven to make crostinis. Remove from the oven, plate, and apply bruschetta.
For this dish, you'll need plenty of diced tomatoes. A sharp knife will help. The red onions should be diced very fine. Cut the basil into very thin strips. At this stage, add the olive oil, the black pepper, and then give it a good mix. Preheat your oven to broil. Now's the time for the bread. Cut the baguette on the bias, which gives us more surface area for the topping. Arrange them single layer on a baking tray. Now sprinkle them with some olive oil. If you miss some parts, just soak them up. Once your oven's heated, put the tray on the top shelf. At about 1.5 minutes, they should be done. Once they're cooled, arrange them on a serving tray. Now spoon a little of the tomato bruschetta onto each crostini. Finish by sprinkling some of that Parmesan cheese on top. Beautiful. Tomato bruschetta is just one topping for crostinis, but it's the go-to appetizer because it's easy to make, affordable, and just so good. Well, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.